Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
It's over. It's over, sir. We can't take this anymore. You slap me, Chairman, you slap me and punch me in my throat. You slap me and punch me in my throat. I will take anything for football. I'm taking this again for football. This is our destiny. This is our life. The oppression is over. The oppression is over, sir. It is over, sir. The board has suspended you unanimously. The oppression is over. Leave me alone. The oppression is over. The oppression is over. Hey, Lucia. The oppression is over. Come inside television. Everybody come inside. The oppression is over. Come inside. The oppression is over.